How to use dual SIM on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, tap on Mobile Service to manage your cellular plans and network provider settings. On the Mobile Service page, scroll down to find and tap on Add eSIM. This option lets you add a new digital SIM, allowing you to use a different cellular plan without a physical SIM card. Tap on Transfer from nearby iPhone. Place your devices next to each other and you will receive a prompt on your other phone to connect. Alternatively, go back and tap on Use QR code. Then, tap on Scan QR code. You can also tap on Enter details manually at the bottom of the screen. On this final page, you can enter the activation details provided by your network provider. This includes the SMTP plus address and the activation code to complete the setup. Following these steps, you can easily use dual SIM on an iPhone.